Hi friends, this is Ranish Malhan from PixCompose. Today we will see how we can modify the windows in this image, and also I will introduce some new windows in the buildings here. So let's get started. So firstly, for here, what I want to do is to select the layer, base layer, which is this layer, and now go to the object selection tool, select it, and start click and drag. You can see we have the selection, which is very good now. So right click here and select layer via copy. So we have a layer via copy. Move it with the move tool. So I want to move it here. I can adjust it more like this. I can also increase the size, but I want it in smaller size. So this looks good to me. So we have a very good window here, but now I want to introduce this window over here. I want to replace this window with this window. For that, then again I am going to make the selection with the object selection tool. For that, click and drag. We have this error because we haven't selected the base layer. So for that, click OK and now select this layer. Now we have to create a new selection. So now we have the selection. We can right click here and click on layer via copy, and with the move tool move the window here. Great. We have this. Now increase the size of this layer. Great. Don't worry about the pixels and low res issues because this will be computed once we commit the changes. So now reduce the opacity of this window so that I can see what's behind this window, but I will introduce it here first. So now I am going to select the distort. So firstly I need to match the perspective of this image. So for that I want to start it with the flip horizontal. I want to flip it horizontally like this, and now I can place it well, and here I can select the distort like this, reduce the opacity more. Great. Now commit the change. We have a pretty good window, but we have some issues. So for that, again press the Ctrl T, again select the distort, and I need to adjust it here. So we have a very good window now, but we have to composite it properly. For that, we can notice that this portion of the window is white and the case is same with this window. So we can use the layer mask. So I don't know, there is some bug, that's why my layer mask option is not working. So now I need to go to the layer, and here I can see layer mask and click here from transparency. We have a mask here. So at this time, with the mask selected, I am going to select the brush tool with the B key, B for bat, and now with the soft brush you can reduce the hardness from here. Start removing some parts from here like this, and you can see we have a very good window here. So you can see we have placed the window properly here from here to here. So again let's take a copy of this, and now we have to turn on Ctrl+ T again. So you can notice that the bounding box is too big for this. This is because we have a layer mask applied here. Delete the layer mask and apply it. Now press the Ctrl T and reduce the opacity to see what's behind. Great. So now go to distort and start aligning the four corners like this. Great. Now increase the opacity. We have applied this window here properly. Again go to the layer and here you can see the layer mask. Select the from transparency and select brush tool again and start brushing to remove the unwanted area. Great. So we have a very good result so far. So we can do the same thing with this window. Like I have selected this. There is some issue. Zoom in and start creating the selection with the object selection tool, but again we are not getting the good result. So in this case I am going to use the rectangular marquee tool like this, and now right click here. Here you can find transform selection. Go here, right click and select the distort, and now start aligning the selection. Great, like this. And now commit the change to the selection. Great. So at this time I am going to use layer via copy again. We have to select the base layer, and now right click here with the selection tool selected, right click and select the layer via copy, and with the move tool move it where you want to, like this. Great. And now reduce the size. Great, like this, and we can copy this. So you can see how we have extended and modified these windows so properly and so impressively. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon, and please share your comments about this video. Thanks for watching.